So the Xiaomi 12 series is now official in the Chinese market, and with that the MIUI 13 is now official too. So the Xiaomi 12 series runs MIUI 13 out of the box, but now the question is, when is your Xiaomi or Redmi device getting the MIUI 13 update? Well, according to Xiaomi, MIUI 13 update will start rolling out globally in the first quarter of 2022. And along with this, Xiaomi also shared the list of phones that will be the first to get this update. Now, before talking about the list of the first batch of devices, let's quickly talk about what is new with MIUI 13 update. It is going to be a short one because there are not a lot of changes over the previous version. Speaking of the design changes first, MIUI 13 introduces new widgets, new dynamic wallpapers, and also a new font. And well, that's pretty much it. There is not much to talk about the UI changes this time around. Xiaomi says that it worked on the core functions of MIUI and was able to increase the overall fluency by up to 52% over the previous version. The MIUI 13 update also introduces Mi Smart Hub in beta. So this is all about a connected experience between the smart devices by Xiaomi. So with this, users can find nearby devices with a simple gesture to seamlessly share and access content. Xiaomi also introduced the MIUI 13 version optimized for large screen tablets named MIUI 13 Pad. So this version has gestures like pinch to resize, drag and drop, opening an app in small window, etc. So the main focus in this version is on multitasking. And finally, let us talk about the first batch of devices that will be getting the MIUI 13 update. So here are the names. As you can see, almost all the high-end and premium mid-range phones are in the list. So we have the Xiaomi Mi 11 series of phones, Xiaomi 11T series, the Xiaomi 11 Lite series, the Redmi Note 10 series, Redmi Note 8 2021 edition, and even some budget phones like Redmi 10 and Redmi 10 Prime. Apart from these, Xiaomi Pad 5 is getting the MIUI 13 Pad update. So yeah, these were the phones that are in the first batch, and as of now, we do not have any exact date on which the rollout will begin. Eventually, all the phones that Xiaomi or Redmi or even Poco launched in the past couple of years should get MIUI 13 update. Anyways, is your phone in the list? Do let me know via the comments section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.